Hey guys, today I would like to show you the top 3 apps that can earn money. So let's get the video rolling. So the first app is called Swagbucks. Basically is as an app that you can do surveys, you can do videos, you can watch some videos, they will give you credit back, and then when you have certain points, you can redeem Amazon points, Starbucks, Indigos, things like that. One of the good thing about this app is they do cashback as well too. If you do some online shopping, Spot Check, Amazon, things like that, they actually will give you cash back to your credit and you can redeem the points when you get enough points to redeem. So the second app is called Lucky Day. Yes, Lucky Day. So basically Lucky Day is an app that you can do lotteries, you can do scratch and win. Every single day, for sure, you're going to win some tokens. Every single day, you can pick numbers for your lotteries. And yes, you can actually win money and direct deposit to your PayPal. As long as you have PayPal, this will work, okay? And I'm pretty sure every single day you will have tokens. You will win some tokens. And when you have certain amount of tokens, you can reclaim gift cards, things like that. The final app I would like to show you is called Make Money. Make Money is an app that you can download apps to play games to earn money, or you can watch videos to get money and then directly deposit into your PayPal. Simple as that. Each task, they will have certain requirements. Once you reach the requirement, you can actually get points and then directly deposit into your PayPal. Simple as that. So these are my top 3 apps to earn some money. These are the free apps. You don't have to pay, but they pay you. You just watch videos, you just play games, you just do some survey, money will go to your bank. Simple, easy. It's not big money, but it's simple. Subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.